If you're constantly cracking your own neck because it feels good, this is for you. Cracking your neck doesn't necessarily fix the problem. Most of the time, you're just moving the joints that already move too much. It's like loosening a door hinge that's already loose while the stuck hinge never gets addressed. That's why the relief is usually temporary. So before we ever adjust your neck, we first figure out why it's bothering you. At Pure Alignment, we assess things like your posture, neck movement, and how your nervous system is functioning to identify where your body actually needs support. That way, your care is specific to you. If you're always cracking your own neck, let's find out what's really causing it. Send us a message or ask us at your next visit.